there! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable noise cancelling on your Sony WH-1000XM4 headphones. Let's get started. So basically there's two ways how to do it. First one is directly on the headphones and the second one in the Sony headphones application. Let's start with the headphones itself. So to switch between modes, we would need to find this button which is named custom on the right headphone. Here's it how it looks. And by clicking on it, you would hear the voice assistant in your headphones which is saying which mode is currently on. Let's talk about them. The first mode is noise cancelling. The second one is ambience mode, and third one is ambience mode is turned off. Let me explain what these modes mean. So the first one is noise cancelling, which is muting every sound in your environment so you'll be able to enjoy your music in peace. Second one is ambience mode, which is letting every sound around you into your ears. For example, when you are talking to someone, so you'll be able to hear them and also have your headphones on. And the third one is ambience mode is turned off. This is basically classic without any mods on, and it feels like a little noise cancelling because these pillows on these headphones are a little bit noise cancelling. This is especially useful, for example, when it's windy outside. And now let me show you how to do it on the Sony application. So, in the Sony application, we would need to go to this tab which is named Sound. And here you'd be able to find this panel in which you can control the modes. For example, you can enable or disable ambient sound control, and by clicking on this arrow, you can control it even more. For example, now it's on noise cancelling. If we will move it the dot on 1, it will be white noise reduction. And then it goes for ambient sound from 1 to 20. So you can choose how much you want the environment to be heard through. And also here you can enable this function which is named voice pass through, so you can hear when someone is talking to you. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.